Hello guys, today's special recipe is strawberry banana bread. Banana bread is always a popular recipe, especially now. While I'm a big fan of it, I find it to be a bit simple. I decided to change up my recipe and I turned it into strawberry banana bread. This is a great way to use overripe bananas and any other fruit. In a mixing bowl, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix it by using a whisk or a hand mixer. Now add 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 cracked eggs. Mix it all well together. Add half cup of mushed overripe bananas and half cup of strawberries. Mix it all well together. Add 1 cup of softened butter and incorporate all together. Grease the bread pan with butter to avoid the bread sticking to the bread pan. Now pour the mixture into the bread pan and set aside. Let's preheat the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it's ready, place the pan on the center rack. Bake it for 1 hour. After 1 hour, poke it with your toothpick. If it comes out clean, then it's ready. Take it out of the bread pan and let it cool for 1 hour. Now it's ready to serve. This bread is soft, moist, and very tasty. I hope you like this recipe. If you do, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.